They're sometimes called trevettes. They sometimes called something else. I'm not sure what that is. But basically, I'm going to have some canning jars in here. Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound, and I got a double unboxing. Oh, all right, I got an unboxing, and then I got an unbagging. Well, wait a minute, an unenveloping, because it's the bubble envelope. So got two things here to open up for you. Let me get out my everyday carry utility knife to do the box here. All right, so the other day you saw me doing a unboxing for some the deep blue stuff from Deterra or whatever it's called. Well, there's some, I don't like putting that stuff on my feet. And ever since I was a little kid, I've always used Absorbing Junior, because this stuff works. And of course, they've changed the formula a little bit. No longer has acetone in it, which, gee, ladies put it on their fingernails all the time to clean up, but we can't put it on our muscles anymore. Anyways, this is what when something's on my feet, if the muscles in my feet, ankle and stuff hurt, this is what I use. There's no greasy after to it at all. It has a pressure sponge applicator on it, so you just rub it around the area you want to do it on. It's quick cooling, dries quickly, and works. So that's the one thing I got. Let's see here. Let's look at the envelope here. Does this one have the? Nope, it's not a reusable one. So I can just go ahead and hit the zipper tear on it and see what I got here. What is it? Well, some of you know what this is immediately. Others are going, what the heck is that? Well, what this is this. Let me move the camera around so I can show you. And down. Pressure canner. Well, let me see if I can get this to open right, because I know it's, there it is. Get out of its little handy dandy packaging here. So what I got is, I got a 2-pack of these. They're sometimes called trevettes. They sometimes called something else. I'm not sure what that is. But basically, when I have some canning jars in here, this goes on top of the low ones. And if I have some of the really small ones, like the half pint ones, I can do three. Should be able to do 3 levels in here. So this goes on top of the first level, and then this one here goes on top of the second level, and the final jars go on top of this. So I can just go ahead and leave it in there right now. They're stainless steel, which is nice, so they're not going to rust. But that'll help out when I'm move it over here a little bit. That'll help it out when I'm doing canning and everything else, like I'm going to be doing a lot of this winter. All right. So one of the final things I want to tell you: plant an indoor garden, grow some foods. It's too expensive at the store, and the vegetables and stuff you get at the store are coated with chemicals. All right. So try growing something indoors. There's a lot of ways to do it. If you want to start out simple, get something like an aero garden or one of the similar type systems that you just put it on your counter and you grow lettuce and chard and basil and other herbs and stuff. All right? All right, take care, and I'll see you around.